Under the deep blue sky, clouds dance and sway. Birds serenade with their joyful melodies. In the green jungle, tall trees stand proud and high. Leaves and branches create a tranquil lullaby. Boys and girls explore this nature's wonderland. Hand in hand they find solace in the green expanse. From the chirping birds to the rustling leaves, their hearts find peace in this wild reprieve. Oh, nature's wonderland, so serene and fair, where dreams are born and worries disappear. A sanctuary where love knows no end in this magical paradise.